There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's insight call for Panther. Today we even have with us Kevin on the call, so we're gonna go through some things that they are like really important. So be really mindful, take a piece of paper, maybe a pen, and also write down some things. So okay, now they should be able to hear you, so you can talk.
Thank you. Hello everyone, long time no see. So what I was meaning to tell you today, we have, I think, the great month of the Panther so far, but the election of the French country is coming to its end, and I just want to give a heads up that maybe next Monday you will have a huge gap, maybe a little bit of drawdown or even a profit. We did backtest for the last 5 elections. On our software, there was no change, so nothing drastically happened. But if someone wants to be cautious, I would say like this: close position at the end of Friday and run Panther back on Monday. And that's it. It's your choice. You don't have to do it. I think it's not necessary. But yeah, if you have high risk, definitely necessary. I believe so. But if you have low risk, you have nothing to worry about. So yeah, that's practically it. What's about where you need to put your mind to. The other thing is I got some questions about Panther 3PO, the third version. So some changes are there. It's not completely ready. We're still fixing some strategies, adding some. We have new GBPA, GPY. Euro GPY is great. Also adding one more killer Euro USD. It made on 1% risk, it makes like 30% per year. So I think it's gonna be great. Again, our priority with the Panther is low risk, safety, 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 and then at the end of the year, let's make 100, 150%.
So Kevin, one question for the new Panther 3.0. We're gonna stay with 10 pairs, or we're gonna have more than 10 trading?
We'll see how the backtest goes, but so far, the problem is, it's not a problem we can give you more robots. The problem is correlation. So the correlation is when you have two identical pairs, or like Euro GPY, GPY, and they go all together or in reverse. It's great when they're both winning, but when they're both losing,
it's not that great.
yeah.
Then it's a bigger drawdown.
Yeah, that's why. So that's why we cannot give you all the 20, 25 pairs. That's the only reason, and it's the main reason. Also, I believe you're choosing this software for its safety and because it can make you money on the long run. So this is the software where you can put 100K, 1 million, 2 million, 10 million, whatever, 10K, and you will not lose it overnight or in any I don't believe there is a market we can lose it because we have such a big data where we're building it, where we're improving it. Um, I really believe in my software, so that's all I can
No,
say.
because
That's why,
I
yeah,
see that the customers are like putting in like also sending the results, and one customer just like said that he made like last month or this month. Let me see. Where do I have? Oh, I close it down now. But yeah, he said that he did like 6%.
yeah,
Le-
awesome.
less
With one
less
percent risk, I think that's
Yeah.
yeah,
So it's like going really nice. I also see on my that account that I like just keep running the small one. I see that it's like like picking up again. Because I know on this account we were like already up for like $600, like up to $600, and then like the I said downtrend came with
yeah,
Panther. But yeah, I think that like in the end, if we go like for the whole year, and especially with the updates that you and Mateo are doing, I think it's gonna like pick up again, and it's gonna like get money back on the account. But also people are asking me, so we said that like 3k is the smallest amount if people want like the exact risk ratio, like in the
yeah.
percentage. I think that we
If they
said at
want
3k.
if they want 0.5%, like we recommend you need at least 3K to be safe. It also works at 500, but then your risk is like 6 or 7% per
Yeah.
trade. So that's it because of the stop losses. We are working on the stop losses so they will be smaller. We can see a great, it's interesting. We can see a great deal of strategies without take profit.
Oh
So
yeah.
only trailing stop loss. So and on the new GBY GBY, it catch spot like 270 pips.
Oh wow, in one trade.
Yeah,
Wow, amazing.
the whole run, man.
Yeah, the run on GBP or JPY pairs was like crazy. Like the last 6 weeks, the JPY, like especially the JPY is just going down, so all the GBP, JPY, USD, JPY are just like going up. And I know that like we had like a lot of not issues, problems with other softwares that we have here in the marketplace, especially with the JPY pairs. But like with Panther, actually, I think we did like the most profit in on JPY pairs because the market is
Yeah,
trending now.
that's right. So after every consolidation, there needs to be a trend, and the trend we make more than we lose in consolidation. That's the only way we are making money and also protecting ourselves. So why go against the trend all the time?
Yeah,
Um, yeah, so that's it. That's why we are improving. So we get better strategy, better returns, lower. We are lowering the risk, and for me, as a trader, that's the most important. You always need to find a way to lower your risk.
yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah, because I seen that like also like on my other accounts, like with other softwares, it was like actually like, oh my god, like okay, it hit stop losses. Like then like on one, it's like almost like the account like got blown by JPY pairs. But especially with Panther, you can be like sure, like you can put like a lot of money in, and that's it, and it's gonna be nice. So we always have to like lower risk and be like super careful. Let's see if there's like maybe some questions from the people. If somebody has any questions, because like last week somebody had some questions and it didn't show up straight away, and then I closed it on and they
Okay.
were messaging me. Just a second. AP Live. Let's open the chat.
So the other stuff in between your search, um, we are working on the live session of trading, and I'm talking with the tailor now. So I believe we can combine that for all the Panther users because the Panther is perfect because you have zero drawdown open, so it means it's perfect for trading, and we want to combine something with that for our Panther users. So
Okay.
I'm looking forward to this, so that's why I want to share it.
Okay, nice, nice. So you're working with other on it. So Kevin's gonna tell me more. We cannot disclose everything here on the live call. So
Just a drop.
yeah, exactly. Just give people a little bit. But definitely, yeah, guys. So, like to summarize everything, please close out all the trades before the market closes on Friday. Close them also down with a loss if it's possible. Because as Kevin said, there can be like really gaps because French elections can have like a major impact on European economy. So you have to know that like Swiss franc pairs, GBP pairs, Euro pairs, they're all going to be affected. So better be safe than sorry, because if you wake up on Monday when on Sunday when the market opens with 100, 200 pip gap, there is no stop loss. It's going to protect you. It's going to go over the stop loss, and it's going to be in bigger floating minus than the stop loss is. So remember that. So Kevin, I don't think people have. Yeah.
I would just said that. So if you have, like, I recommend, if you have bigger than 1 or 1.5% risk, please close the trade. You can have a great profit or great loss. If you have 0.5%, I don't think you need to close them, but still, it's your options. It should survive, but why risk it?
In the end, it's your capital, so that's like, be mindful. It's your capital. Once the capital is gone, nobody's gonna give it back to you. So better be safe than sorry, guys. There's always another day that you can trade, and when you have money on your account. If you don't have money on your account, it's hard to trade. So guys, thank you for joining live. Everybody that's watching the recording, if you have any questions, just drop them in the traders chat. We're gonna answer them to you. If you don't have any questions, talk to you guys next week.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.